Your best choice, IHI turbo compressors. IHI turbo compressor. The first IHI turbo compressor made its debut in 1970. More than 10 models have been successfully developed and marketed to meet the constantly evolving needs of our customers. IHI is Japan's leading manufacturer of turbo compressors. We are renowned for our advanced technology and reliability, features that have expanded the sales of IHI turbo compressors beyond the shores of Japan and across the world. Always anticipate the user's needs. This is our policy in developing turbo compressors. At IHI, we're constantly engaged in creating the best turbo compressors to give our customers an edge over the others. Inside an IHI turbo compressor, all important components are already present in packaged form. This packaging is designed to minimize installation space as well as to save the user time and effort required for purchasing parts and on-site installation. The air coolers and discharge passage from each of the compression stages are assembled in one gearbox casing. This all-in-one package minimizes the risk of air leaks and ensures top-class efficiency. It is also possible to split the gearbox horizontally to enable easy on-site access. Parts count has been kept to a minimum, which also helps to simplify maintenance. From the inlet guide vane, the air reaches the high-speed rotating impeller, which imparts kinetic energy by its centrifugal force. The accelerated air is then changed into pressure by the diffuser and collected efficiently by the scroll. The air, which is heated to a high temperature at the time of compression, is cooled by an intercooler, and then goes through a second compression stage, an intercooler, followed by a third compression stage and an aftercooler. This method of increasing the pressure at several stages enables efficient compression and cooling action until the air is discharged from the compressor outlet. With extensive experience in such areas as jet engines and turbochargers for automobiles, we have been able to refine our world-class rotating machinery technology. At IHI, we employ this technology to design and develop impellers, exclusively for use in turbo compressors. We design and customize impellers by combining more than 1,500 aero parts. Thanks to our abundant aero design, we can propose the best turbo compressors to meet the needs of users, whether they want to give priority to efficiency or to large capacity control range. An important aspect of IHI turbo compressors is their energy-saving features. An increased number of compression stages can enhance compression efficiency by improved cooling performance. Comparing a 3-stage compressor to a 2-stage with the same capacity, the former has 5.2% higher compression efficiency. When comparing different 300 kilowatt compressor models, the IHI turbo compressors clearly surpass not only rotary screw-fixed speed types, but also inverter types in terms of energy savings at high load factors. Our turbo compressors are highly effective for multiple baseload machines. The combining of multiple baseload machines also reduces maintenance costs. IHI turbo compressors are available in many different models to provide optimal solutions that meet customer needs for compressed air. A further advantage is superior ease of maintenance. For shafts rotating at high speed, the turbo compressor employs a labyrinth seal instead of a carbon seal. This non-contact seal enables operation without consumables around the sealed section. It uses non-contact tilting pad journal bearings for semi-permanent operation. The water side of the air cooler can be cleaned by removing the front header only. Also, the air cooler itself can easily be removed to clean the compressed air side. In addition, the essential parts of the compressor can be disassembled, making on-site maintenance easy. IHI turbo compressors have acquired the ISO Standard Class 0 certificate, the highest standard for compressed air cleanliness. They contribute to the customer's manufacturing processes with Class 0 compressed and 100% oil-free air. Thanks to our advanced technology and reliability, IHI compressors have been supplied to markets worldwide. IHI will continue to develop leading-edge optimized manufacturing solutions based on superior expertise accumulated through our long history. Energy savings, user customization, easy maintenance,